Introducing the Haylou Solar Neo smartwatch, a perfect blend of style, functionality, and innovation designed to elevate your everyday life. Featuring a vibrant 1.53-inch HD display, the Solar Neo ensures crystal clear visuals, making every interaction smooth and visually delightful. With its upgraded rotating crown, seamlessly navigate through menus and switch watch faces, providing an intuitive user experience. Stay connected on the go with one-tap Bluetooth calling, whether you're working out or multitasking at home. Making and answering calls has never been easier. Real-time notifications keep you updated, ensuring you never miss important messages or alerts. Express your style with over 150 unique watch faces, allowing you to personalize your watch for any occasion. Embrace an active lifestyle with access to 127 workout modes, offering accurate data and scientific training guidance to enhance your fitness journey. Your health companion on your wrist, track heart rate, blood oxygen levels, sleep patterns, and more with next-generation optical sensors. With an impressive battery life, enjoy up to 30 days of uninterrupted usage on a single charge, keeping you powered throughout your adventures. Designed to complement your lifestyle, the Haylou Solar Neo is your perfect companion. Whether you're commuting, hiking, or working out, experience the fusion of technology and style with the Haylou Solar Neo smartwatch.